What's going on, everyone? This is the Faceless Hobo. Your hair says a lot about you. What type of person you are, do you take care of yourself, and many other questions can be answered just by looking at your hair. And especially now with the lockdown, people have forgotten to take care of their hair. And so today I will be giving you some of the tips, do's and don'ts when it comes to getting healthier hair. And also I'll be giving my hair care routine as an example. But before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss a video. So let's hop into it. So the first thing you need to do to take care of your hair is to wash it. If you're the type of person who uses a bar of soap throughout their body, stop right now. You are only damaging your hair further. You need to invest in a good quality shampoo. But to take your hair care to a next level, try using 3 different types of shampoo. You need to wash your hair at least twice, maybe 3 times a week. More than that and your hair will end up looking dull and dry. When it comes to what type of shampoo you use, well, this is a personal choice. I would recommend trying a new shampoo every month to see which one suits your style. My routine generally consists of 3 days of washing my hair. As for what shampoos I use is a little complicated. I don't categorize my shampoos into types but severity. These include a mild, a regular and a harsh shampoo. In the summer, I usually go for a mild shampoo wash twice a week and the third day I use the regular shampoo. In the winter, however, I switch mild shampoos into the regular one and the regular ones to the harsh shampoo. This is because compared to summers, my hair tends to get more dry and flaky during the winter. For the mild shampoo, I would highly recommend Johnson's Baby Shampoo. I know what you're thinking, but hear me out. There's a perfectly good logic behind it. A baby's hair is much more softer and fragile. So baby shampoos are designed in such a way that it can be used to remove the impurities from the hair without harming it. The good thing about this mild shampoo is that since it does not contain harsh chemicals, you can also use it every single day, although I wouldn't recommend it. For the regular one, I use a Tresemme shampoo. It does a good job in removing most of the impurities. If you're trying to decide what is the one shampoo you should get, go with this one. It smoothens your hair while also making sure that your hair is as clean as possible. And for the harsh shampoo, I go for something that is anti-dandruff. This product tends to have some nasty chemicals, so you should not be using them more than once or twice a week. They do a good job of removing all the impurities, but they also strip the hair of its natural oils and nutrients. You do not need to do all this, but it will really help you, I guarantee. The next step in any hair care routine is one of the things people usually avoid, and that is nourishment. Nourishing is really important when it comes to your hair, especially after shampooing. As I said earlier, shampoo strips your hair of its nutrients. The conditioner does the exact opposite. It provides your hair with all the nutrients it needs to grow properly. There is no wrong product when it comes to the conditioner. I've used many different brands and I can say that they all have the same goal. If you need a brand recommendation, I would go with Tresemme. And this is not a sponsored video. I've been using this product for a long time and I haven't used the other products as much as them to compare. That being said, you can buy any conditioner to improve your hair, as long as they're just conditioner and not the weird 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner BS. If you're the type of person using these products, then I'm sorry, but you've just been wasting your time. The whole purpose of shampoo is to remove the nutrients, whereas that of a conditioner is to provide them. By combining both of them, you're not only wasting your money, but also the time, because your hair is just the same as it was before you washed it, if not worse. Stop trying to go cheap and buy a decent bottle of shampoo and conditioner. Use a conditioner right after shampooing and this will help your hair absorb the nutrients better. And the last thing you need to remember is how to protect your hair. Stop using hot water on your hair. Instead, go for lukewarm water. Heat and hair are natural enemies. Your hair gets dry and brittle by using the heat all the time. Stop blow drying your hair every day. Instead, go for towel drying. And even if you want to do it every single day, make sure you use some kind of heat protectant. Your hair is one of the most important thing you have, and it will go away one day. But that doesn't mean you cannot delay the inevitable, and make sure you enjoy the time you have with your hair while it lasts. Do all the things you want to do. Straighten your hair, go for a highlight, grow it out, or even cut it down. Whatever you do, do not waste it. As long as you keep your hair healthy, you can do anything you want with your hair and look amazing. And that's basically it for today's video. These are the tips and tricks for an amazing hair care routine. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Faceless community. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.